Guys, today I'm making octopus. Look, there you go. See that right there? See that octopus? I'm gonna grill it right in here. I just boiled it for an hour in olive oil, some garlic, lemon, smoked paprika, and the red sazon. I boiled it. I didn't want you guys to see this whole thing. It took an hour, so it's simple. All right, guys. I'll be back, ready for the grill. All right, guys. Look, there you go. I got some garlic in here. And what I'm gonna do is now throw some olive oil. Some olive oil in there. This is what we're gonna brush. We're gonna brush the olive oil and garlic. This is thyme. I'm gonna brush that on there and marinate it in there and get ready for the grill. This is like a basting. This is a basting for that. And throw a little rosemary in there. I don't have parsley, guys, so I'm just working with what I got. I got a little basil leaves, but it's this kind. Alright. I'll be back, guys, with some lemon. Alright, guys, I'm gonna throw some lemon in there. I don't have parsley, so I decided to throw a little bit of cilantro in there. Bam. Two of these. Okay. And then smash. Alright, guys. Take it out. There you go, you see? It's gonna be nice and tender. I'm gonna slice it over here. There you go. Alright. Alright, guys, what I'm doing now, I'm cutting it. Should be nice and tender for the grill. There you go. That looks good. I'm gonna slice this right there. Alright, guys, I'll throw this in here. I wanted to marinate in some garlic and olive oil and that lemon. Be generous too with the olive oil. There we go, some olive oil. Alright, guys, I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper in here. Salt. Pepper. That's it. So now, what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm gonna throw some of this mixture in there. You want to mix it so you can see. This has rosemary in it, some thyme, garlic, lemon. Alright. So I'm gonna leave the rest in here so I can baste it with this mixture. So I'm gonna put it away for at least 20 minutes. Look at that. flavor's gonna be crazy on this. Alright guys, here we go. Going in. Wish we were doing this outside, but this will have to do. Just to get more char on them. Watch this part, guys. What's this, guys? Alright, we're gonna throw them back in there. Alright guys, we're gonna throw these in there for 1 minute. Toss them. We're gonna toss them in there again. And throw a little more of this mixture right here. It says lemon, garlic, thyme, rosemary, basil. And we toss them back. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, there you go guys, on the plate. Nice and grilled. Look how beautiful that is, guys. Okay. I'll finish off. We drizzle some more of this. Olive oil. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, one last thing. I got some Spanish paprika, smoked paprika. Throw that over. Give it that nice Mediterranean feel, like you're in Spain or you're in Santorini, Greece or something.